the National Policy on Education, 1986, which was amended in 1992, envisages a national system of education. Many monumental changes have occurred in India and the world during the past 3 decades. So, the Government of India has initiated the consultation process of formulating a new national education policy to meet the changing dynamics of the population's requirement with regard to quality education, innovation and research, aiming to make India a knowledge superpower by equipping its students with the necessary skills and knowledge. A multi-level consultation process involving all stakeholders such as educationists, teachers and students across all levels is being undertaken. Jammu and Kashmir is one of the northern states of the Indian Union. This state has an area of 222,236 square kilometer and a population of 10.24 million. There are 22 districts, 107 blocks and 6,652 villages. Literacy rate in the state has improved from 55.5% in 2001 to 67.2% in 2011. However, it is still below the national average of 72.99%. First phase of multi-level consultation process started with the district level consultation meeting at Srinagar by National Council of Educational Research and Training, that is NCERT, in collaboration with State Institute of Education, Kashmir on 18th of August 2015. It was attended by around 110 participants from the field of education and stakeholders of education. Mr. Shaleen Kabra, Commissioner Secretary to School Education Department, Jammu and Kashmir, Chairman, J&K Board of School Education, Director, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan, and many other dignitaries also graced the occasion. The program was inaugurated by the Honorable Minister for Education of Jammu and Kashmir, Mr. Naeem Akhtar. During inaugural address, he emphasized to create a culture of scientific thinking among the students. He said that earnest efforts are required to be made to deliver quality education and improve on its standards so that the ultimate aim to produce a human being who is an asset, not liability. The minister also stressed that the education policy should emphasize on creating a generation that is skilled, motivated, and that could contribute towards development. The facilitators from NCERT and RIE, Professor Rajrani, Professor Sunita, Dr. Rajesh Mishra, and Dr. R.K. Sharma, highlighted the significance and themes of the new National Educational Policy. Those themes are ensuring learning outcomes in elementary education, extending outreach of secondary and senior secondary education, strengthening of vocational education, reforming school examination system, revamping teacher education for quality teachers, accelerating rural literacy with special emphasis on women, SCs, STs and minorities through adult education and national open schooling system, promotion of information and communication technology systems in school and adult education, new knowledge, pedagogies and approaches for teaching of science, maths and technology in school education to improve learning outcomes of students, school standards, school assessment and school management systems, enabling inclusive education, education of girls, SCs, STs, minorities and children with special needs, promotion of languages, comprehensive education, ethics, physical education, arts and crafts, life skills, and focus on child health. It was followed by a regional level consultative meeting at Regional Institute of Cooperative Management, RICM Chandigarh, organized by NCERT Ajmer in collaboration with Education Department, Government of Punjab on 30th September 2015, in which 4 northern states, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, and 1 union territory, Chandigarh, participated. 20 officers represented Jammu and Kashmir state. All the recommendations on 13 given themes from these 5 states were reviewed, analyzed, and upgraded for better in this consultative meeting. Back home in Jammu and Kashmir, to obtain the views, suggestions, and feedbacks, a series of meetings were conducted at the village level through village education committees under the village heads, in which thousands of people associated with education participated. All the stakeholders were enthusiastic in expressing their suggestions throughout the valley, and valuable outputs were received.
न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के रिलेटेड जो इस बार कंसल्टेशंस हुई, अब जानते हैं कि 1 नवंबर को विलेज लेवल कंसल्टेशंस हुई सारी VECs की लेवल पे, और जहाँ पे मेरा मानना है कि शायद पहली बार इस पैमाने की कंसल्टेशंस हुई हैं कि इतने सारे हज़ारों लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया। एक सिंगल डे पे मेरे ही डिवीज़न में करीबन 7000 VECs विलेजेस में एक कंसल्टेशन हुई। एजुकेशन पॉलिसी के रिलेटेड जो 13 थीम्स हैं हमारे, जो स्कूल एजुकेशन से पर्टेन करते हैं, उनमें चाहे क्वालिटी एजुकेशन के बारे में बात हो, चाहे वोकेशनल एजुकेशन के बारे में बात हो, चाहे यूज़ ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, कंप्यूटर्स का जो काम है हमारी एजुकेशन या पेडागोजी में, उसकी बात हो, चाहे टीचर अकाउंटेबिलिटी की बात हो, चाहे स्कूल लीडरशिप की बात हो, बहुत ही यूनिक फीडबैक हमें मिला है सारे गांव से, और VECs ने बहुत अच्छे से उसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया। एक इसकी और इसको स्केल अप करने के लिए एक और कंसल्टेशन रखी जा रही है जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल कंसल्टेशन है, और फिर उसके बाद स्टेट लेवल कंसल्टेशंस होंगी। आइडिया ये है कि जो हमारी पॉलिसी हमारे कंट्री की बनेगी, जिसको मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ HRD बना रहा है, वो एजुकेशन पॉलिसी रिफ्लेक्ट करे जो ग्राउंड की रियलिटीज़ हैं, जो ग्राउंड की रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, और जो वक्त के तकाजे हैं। आप जानते हैं कि हम एक नई जनरेशन के लिए इस पॉलिसी को बना रहे हैं। आने वाले दिनों में जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल चैलेंजेस हैं वो किसी से छिपे हुए नहीं हैं, तो एक ऐसी पॉलिसी बने जो वक्त के तकाज़ों को, जो एजुकेशन की रिक्वायरमेंट्स को और जो स्टैंडर्ड्स को शायद एड्रेस कर पाए। और हमारा महकमा उस चीज़ के लिए बहुत ही अच्छे से कोशा है, और लोगों का भी जो सपोर्ट रहा है वो बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त है।
For further enhancement and strengthening of these suggestions, opinions and recommendations, district level consultative meetings were held at all the district headquarters of Kashmir Division under the chairmanship of the concerned Deputy Commissioner on 9th November. These meetings were attended by principals of Diet and higher secondary schools, chief education officers, and other stakeholders of education. To analyze, evaluate, and integrate all the suggestions, feedbacks, and recommendations from all the regions of the state, a state-level consultative meeting shall be held at Jammu in coming days.